Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3200 PSI pressure washer. Great for using around the house, on your patio or deck, or in the garage. You can also clean your recreational equipment or remove stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 224cc engine with a flow capacity of 2.4 gallons per minute, and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, comfort grip trigger gun, and 5 interchangeable quick connect nozzles: 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees. This unit also has built-in detergent tanks, as well as a unique low-pressure detergent nozzle and hose specifically for using with different cleaning chemicals and detergents, making this pressure washer as versatile as it is powerful. And the dolly-style body and wheel kit make it easy to transport this unit wherever you need it. Make sure to wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your owner's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the garden hose. Turn on the water source. Pull the trigger to purge the air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 3200 PSI pressure washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.
Jobs just got done with the SPX 9006 Pro commercial grade electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Featuring rugged pro quality equipment designed for commercial use at the worksite, restaurant, retail store, repair shop, and more, Sunjo Pro Series washers power through your toughest cleaning tasks and home improvement projects with ease. Made for those who expect the most out of their machines, every Pro Series pressure washer comes with the most requested Pro Power Plus performance upgrades and features for your most demanding jobs, like sturdy steel construction, a durable 25-foot steel reinforced high-pressure hose, and 35-foot power cord. Whether you're a contractor, business owner, or just a homeowner who appreciates the value of commercial-grade gear, Sunjo Pro Series pressure washers will perform for you with top-of-the-line, pro-quality features including solid brass fittings, a manually adjustable pressure regulator valve, quieter, more powerful long-life induction motors, onboard hose reels, and rugged metal roll cages. Designed to last longer than residential and DIY machines with a lifespan of up to 500 hours, SPX 9006 Pro takes on the heavy-duty tasks that the other pressure washers just can't handle. The powerful 13.5 amp motor blasts up to 1,300 pounds per square inch of pressure and pumps up to 2 gallons per minute to take on tough grease and oil stains, mildew, caked on mud, tar, rust, and other stubborn dirt and deposits. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Dial in the perfect pressure for a custom clean with the adjustable pressure valve. Select the lower setting for a quick cleanup, or crank it up to demolish oil stains, dissolve grease deposits, or remove grime from grout. And with the 5 quick connect spray tips, you can customize the spray to suit any task. Choose from 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap to tackle heavy-duty dirt and debris. Pour the detergent of your choice into the onboard detergent tank to lather up and break down caked on grease and grime. And every Sunjo Pro Series pressure washer comes backed by Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty for the continuous reliable performance that you've come to expect from America's top-selling eco-friendly pressure washers. So when there's dirty work to be done, go pro and go with Joe. The SPX 9006 Pro commercial grade electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Get equipped.
trusted for more than 50 years. Simpson has continued to provide the advantage you need to get the job done. Our products feature industry-leading technology and functional innovation that make your task easier. We make products that are reliable, durable, and built to perform every time you need them. Whether you're a DIYer or an industry pro, Simpson offers an enhanced experience with professional results, guaranteed. Simpson, driven by performance.